We got him! We got him! Wow. Look at that one.
That's not a bad one at all. Second trout of the season.
Brought?
Huh? I don't know.
We're gonna go fishing. We got camp picked up. Half of camp picked up. We're bored of that, so we're gonna go fishing. We're gonna go try Dutch owl again. See if we can't find a bass. Maybe some pike. Yeah. We're going after it.
Oh, that's not a bad one at all.
Last time I caught a largemouth was a long time ago. I'm gonna lose them. Is it rolling?
Barely hooked. Barely hooked. I don't know why I'm holding your fish there.
Hold them up there. Look at that. All right.
Yes, sir.
So there are
Look
fish
at the tail.
here.
Look at the tail. Actually, I don't know if that's bloody or not. There are fish in here, and that is not a bad one. Little tubby. Little tubby.
There we go.
That is sick. Let's go.
Let's get some more.
Right off that rock. I knew you were gonna catch a fish on it. Literally. Yeah. Yeah. Not another.
There he goes. I knew that was gonna happen. That's all right. We basically had him. Not really, but.
What's up, guys? First bass for me. Fish are here. I've been missing a lot. Had a huge one swipe at it earlier today, but I don't know. Dude, this guy hooks in. So yeah, that's that. I fucking pop this. There we go. Ready? About an 8-incher.
All right. Alright. Okay. Not bad. Your turn, bud. Here he is. Little guy. We'll take him though. This will probably be the dump.
Okay, so we just finished. It's about 2:30 almost. Jared caught just about every fish today. I had 3 follows. Well, one wasn't followed. I missed them. He just shook off. It was tough. And then I had another bass that was just chasing my jig up. I was like getting ready to reel it in, and I burned it back, and the thing chased it up to the boat and splashed. That was something. And then I had a small pike chase it. But yeah, we missed a lot of fish, not gonna lie. But had a good time doing it. So we're gonna head back to camp now. Clean everything up, make sure it's all ready to go, and then head home, I think.
You wanna roll it? Sure.
Thanks for watching.